So, hi everyone! So, ayun. Guess what? Kung ano ang cravings natin for today's video. Ang cravings natin for today is a Ninja 400.
Okay.
I fucking bought a Ninja 400! Kasi nag-isip ako ng birthday gift for myself and wala akong maisip talaga. But, big bike is always been a dream of mine. So, meet my new baby. So, yeah. Yes, queen. Yes. So, ayun guys. Syempre, first of all, I wanna say thank you. Kasi, hindi ko masaspoil yung sarili ko or hindi ko magigiftan yung sarili ko. Neto, kung syempre, hindi nyo ako, sinusuportahan and you guys still here since day one. So, yeah, parang kayo na rin yung nagsuspoil sa akin. So, thank you guys. Like, this is one of the best gift I received. And, yan, kahit hindi ko birthday naman, super thankful ako sa mga blessings. And, ayun po, thank you po. So, yeah, that's it for this video. Bye, Ninja!